Welcome back to the American Legends Watch channel. Today unboxing the brand new Orient 75th anniversary Kamasu, the light blue, Japanese market only. I had to order this out of Japan, but with no further ado, watch is going to be right inside this little box. So 1, 2, 3, and there it is. You know, I'm a sucker for a light blue special edition watch. I'm wearing my Zen 903 light blue special edition. Maybe they got a little hint or idea from Zen or Omega or one of the other brands that's been doing a special edition light blue, like the Omega Summer series in 2004 featured light blue dials. Very nice. So love me some light blue. I really like the contrasting dark blue bezel that we have on here. Some very pretty radial striping going on the dial, contrasting gold seconds hand, and of course all the great features that I love about the Kamasu. Good masculine size at about 42 millimeters. Has great presence without being just oversized. Not terribly thick, 12 millimeters and change. Comes in under 13. The chronograph version is just at 13. 120 click on the very smooth action on the bezel. Ooh, that's just, it almost glides. It's like it wants to keep going. Not clicky, not clacky, just very, very smooth. Just a little bit of backlash it does allow there. Big triangle marker there at 12 o'clock. Day date. The in-house Orient movement with hand whiting and hacking. Just make it smile here. Do it a little wind, very easy wind. Starts running right away. I believe that's a 3 hertz. Just looking at it, I didn't see it in the documentation, but that looks like about a 3 hertz sweep. In the seconds hand, of course, automatic. 200 meter diver, sapphire glass, crown guards. Nice polishing. Pretty much all those surfaces are polished. Got a signed crown. You've got the special edition markings on the case back. Screw open case back. Very nicely finished. No sharp edges. It's a standard kind of bracelet. 22 millimeter lugs there, and the bracelet does add quite a bit of weight, so I might wind up swapping this off for a NATO strap, which I like to do. This is a pin and collar style bracelet. Like I said, brushed on the outside of the bracelet, but polished on the sides, just like the case back. Nice swooping arc of the case back kind of continues on. Tapers just a little bit. Measure it here in a second. It looks like it tapers from about 22 to 20, which is not a whole lot. But the real showstopper here is the dial. Love the dial. I really like that handset as well. You get a nice big sword style minute hand. Nice counterweight to the arrow style seconds hand. And kind of that diminutive large triangle. Diminutive length, but large triangle on the hour hand. Applied markers, nice shiny facets. I'm sure this is going to have real nice lume. Let's go ahead and adjust the date. We've got Japanese day characters. It's actually the 15th here, and then rotate the other way. And we've got English and Japanese characters. It's currently a Friday, so there we go. Alright, so as the rain continues to come down, I have now adjusted the Orient Kamasu here. I wound up taking 2 links out of one side, 1 link out of the other, putting the micro adjust at the 2nd position in, and that gives me enough room to wiggle that around. And yeah, that looks good. Love that light blue on me. As I've said before, blue is my favorite dial variation color. I think this dark blue bezel with the light blue dial itself and the lighter markers on there is just a really fetching combination. Stands out, I think, a little bit better than the equally pretty but certainly different and lighter flavor you get from the Zen Special Edition 903, which has the white bezel, pilot's bezel, slide rule bezel, compared to the dark blue on the Kamasu. Even though these are about the same diameter, this is going to wear a little smaller and just grab your eye with the dial looking smaller than on a white bezel, even of similar size. Alright, so I think I will leave it there. Please do like this video, subscribe to the channel if you found this useful. Stay tuned for more unboxings, reviews, and all kinds of fun stuff coming up on the channel soon. But until next time, God bless and have fun out there.